Oh!
Oh, that's it.
Hello! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today's the time that we actually show people what's behind that load of blankets we've been covering for quite a few months now, I think. It's been there miles too long, and you lot have been very, very patient to see what's behind it. But I know some people have probably guessed what it is, so let's actually see if they're right, shall we? So now's the time I suppose I should really rip this off. Well, I reckon I should go and have a coffee first.
No, whip it off.
You reckon?
Whip it
By
off.
the way, we've got a new cameraman behind our back there at the moment, so let us all know how he's getting on. Stick in the comments if he's crap or not. So, shall I?
I think you should.
No, I'll go home, mate. I'll see you later.
Nah, come on, crack on.
Really? Come on. I'll take that one off, that's fine. There you go. You can see a wheel. I'm just going to be in a real arsehole mood today, and I do a little bit by little bit.
Indeed.
There's a wheel.
It's a transit.
Let's do the little. Ooh, can we work it out now?
It's not a transit.
We should be able to work out it by that there. If people don't like no vehicles, they should be able to work out by that little vent there. So, there you go. We're going to get hit by God knows what on here. Oh, I found the magnet. Dust. Well, there it is. So, who you lot managed to guess it was another T4 lurking behind there? Because it'd be quite interesting to know if you managed to guess it or not. Right, so I suppose I better explain a bit more about this one. Back in, was it November, December? I think it was December time. Trawling through maybe in Copart like you do, and I came across this little one, which was just in one of the more local auctions and stuff, which supposedly runs and drives and all the rest of it, and but it's a non-recorded accident damage one. Well, I say non-accident damage, it's not actually accident damage, it's just non-recorded one. It's more likely one of those ones that they buy for scrap and then sell ones. But it is what it is, it's turned up and it's not too bad, apart from it pisses out water from the water pump. But other than that, runs sweet as a nut. I would start it now, but the battery's flat, so it is what it is, and the water pump's a bit grumbly, so I don't want to really start it too much. But it's 2.5, same as my burgundy one that I did. It's not really that well rotten, and it's got so much paperwork in it, it's absolutely unreal. But as you can see, someone's had some time and love on it sometimes. Got the look, what I thought when I looked at it in the auction pictures as a wrap bonnet, but it's turned up and it's airbrushed. But I don't like it. So if anybody wants to buy it, hit me up on Instagram, and I'm sure we can sort out some sort of deal or price on it and stuff. But working your way around, you got tinted lights, which I'm going to pinch for mine.
No.
Yeah, I am. Got some lovely Audi alloys, which is a typical what most people do. And someone's lovely called it Molly. Oh, ain't that nice?
It does look like a molly.
No, it don't.
It does.
It looks like a POS at the moment. But you got the other one.
Door lock.
No,
No.
it don't work. That's one thing, so I've got to fix that in a minute, so we'll still be getting that in a minute, because I haven't actually managed to get into it yet. I haven't really touched it since it turned up. I just dumped it in there and left it. You got all the windows in it and stuff. But local to us is that place, or was that place. I'll let other people work out their own what that place is all about, because it's up to them what they find and what they don't find. But I went and did some digging to find out if I find some more history about this thing and the rest of it, and I found those guys, and when I went to like find some more history out about it and stuff, it's one that they've done some work on at some time or another, and basically I found out about a bit more history. It's 100% this local and the rest of it, and it is what it is. So it's a vehicle which people local to us will actually know. I'm on like around Somerset area and stuff, and actually know the vehicle. So
arches look right though, don't they?
they are. They are actually pretty bloody solid, mate. I reckon this one, like my other one, it's one of those rare ones that you find like diamonds like hiding around, but it's even still got the original plastic protector on it. This one's got a go faster hole.
Yes.
The usual place to go faster hole.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, it is that. On some.
Yeah.
Go faster hole to do a bit of welding there. But when I quickly shifted around underneath it, there's only one more hole I can find on the thing to weld up. So if I take it apart and that's what I find, then result. But you go around the back of it.
It's got all the glass fitted, hasn't it?
Yeah, you got the tinted glass and everything in the back of it. Talk about glass. We're a bit missing, mate.
Cardboard glass.
Yeah. We've got all of the loveliness and lovely stickers and stuff like that. Let me go climb inside a minute, so I can open this back up a bit. Oh!
Oh, that's it.
Hello! Yeah, as you can see, a bit of damage in here. There's still the remains of the glass. But it's got a big dent there. Is where the damage has happened on this one. Like that. So it needs a door and a window.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all the damage it needs, mate. There's no more damage on it. A door and a window will solve it. So, yeah. And to be honest with you, if I really wanted to, I could probably push that out. Because it's only there.
Yeah.
I reckon I could probably fix it if I really wanted to. Whether I can be bothered for how much a door costs.
That's what I mean. Chuck a door on it.
Chuck a door on it with a glass in it, even if I don't have it with the glass in it, I don't really care. I sort something out with it. So I'll just big explain the place in there.
I reckon you just stand there.
See if I get this off and see if we show what this looks like. Yeah, there you go. There's the damage. Ah, yeah. Excuse my French. There you go. There's your damage.
My camera skills are amazing.
Are they?
Yeah, I can nearly see the bottom of that's the top of your head's gone.
Yeah, there you go. Lovely. Which I reckon I could probably push out. I'm not going to right at the moment. There's too much glass around here.
Can't we just take it off your one?
Take it off mine?
Yeah.
Well, I could do a tailgate conversion and take it off mine, yeah.
Yeah, we've got that one out there. Just bolted on.
What, that burgundy one? That's yeah, just that piece of shit that's out there.
Yeah, just
yeah. But this one's got a tow bar on it and all the rest of it, and yeah.
Yeah.
But this one, well, mine is a 1200 special. This one's a 1000 special.
It's even better.
No, it's not. It means it hasn't got the same load capacity, mate. My one's got more load capacity, but it doesn't make a difference with what's going to end up happening with this one. Right, so I suppose I better show you what they've been up to in the inside of this thing. So if Mark wants to walk his way and stick the camera through the big hole I just made. Well, in here we've got some lovely ton and groove panels. Lovely. Some, well, it looks like Celotex behind it, but that lot can all disappear at some time because it's a mess. Sock.
That's mine.
Right, there you are then. Yeah, that's sock.
Why is it sticky? More panelling.
Seat cover. More wood panelling. Some. No, that's good.
We'll keep them.
We keep them. Oh, better hide that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we know who the person owns it.
Oh yeah, we do.
That's ominous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Buy it from Copart with a free tow rope.
Free tow rope.
Don't get that very often.
No.
Got a curtain. Don't want that either.
It's been big.
Right, that's better. You don't like curtain.
Brass handles.
Yeah, I'll just look at that. Why did he brass handles when he got handle?
Just want a little bit extra. What's the floor?
Well, I got another window door. Oh no, that one does open.
It does open.
It's about 5 to go because there's a focus being in the way. The floor looks like some lino with cardboard Celotex foam underneath it. Yeah, we'll dig that out later. But yeah, you got that there. You've got window ledge, mate. Someone's put window ledge in.
Just being vicious now, ain't you?
No, because I know what I'm doing with it, so I don't really care. And then you got the best part, mate.
No, what's that?
Yeah, I'll pass it here. You got the best part of the whole lot. We have mosaic tiles, and yes, they are proper ceramic things that some imbecile has put into it.
That's got to be a keeper with a water feature.
What are we doing? Pimp my bloody ride or something?
Not water feature over the mosaic.
Yeah, pimp my ride, here we go. But yeah, you got it's all lined, even if it's a bit fluffy. I think we can do better than that somehow. Right, so in here, it ain't very pleasant. It really isn't very pleasant. It's like mould. So much that I don't really want to touch anything, but just to show you, it's thick with. Get a nice bit of penicillin in here when you're in there. But you know what we have got, mate?
What?
It's come from Copart with a radio.
Wicked.
When did they ever come from Copart with a radio?
What sort of 5-speed box?
History.
Service history.
It was listed with Copart with no history. When I moved the seat so I could climb through to get in and out of it, and what you find is buckets and buckets and buckets and buckets and buckets of it. There's more history there than mine, I think it is. No, it's probably about the same.
What's with this door then?
I basically need to take door card off to work out why the door's jammed, but normally, because this one's got central locking on it, like they jam up on the little rods and stuff, but it's factory fitted central locking on it as well, so makes a change. It's got a few little goodies like that in this thing. Look. And we got latest steering wheel, which I think I might pinch. Might put it on mine. It's even got a gear extension. Someone put a gear lever extension on it. Someone must have loved this thing. But the passenger seat's just as bad. I'm not going to go into showing you that because it's.
Well, they're popular, aren't they?
These things, people love them, mate. Me being one of them. But they've got door panels that have all been painted. Someone's painted them all black. It's a good job I've got a complete set of non-black ones, isn't it? Right. So apart from noisy people a couple of units down, under here you've got the. Oh look, I've just bloody put the torch in the wrong bloody place, haven't I? Go in there. No, yes, no, maybe. I'll move it because that's going to go in my face.
Oh, I wanted it to slip.
Yeah, I can see that one coming, mate. Yeah, under here you got the good old 2.5, pretty much bulletproof engines. As we can see, it's been sat for a while. You've got mould growing on the pipes and stuff, mate. Isn't that so lovely? Oh look, we've got a crapper battery. Got another crapper battery. Sorry, I mean Napa. Napa crapper. But like down there, where they normally rot them, it's got panels. This is normally, it's got surface, but that's normally big old. It's unreal how clean it is. Same with that side over there.
Yeah, it all seems pretty straight.
But she ain't a bad old girl for something that you think was what, 2001, so 20 something years old. 22 years old or something like that. Yeah, 22 years old this year, isn't it? So you think that it ain't a bad condition little bus, to be honest with you.
Be a good project.
Yeah, as in project. I reckon them lovely little viewers should let us know what we should do with this one. As this one is going to get flipped and sold. Even though I said that with mine, this one 100% is literally been got just to flip and sell. So perhaps they should put it in the comment section and let us know what we should do with the thing. Should we just like do a water pump and stuff on it and get rid of it as it is? Shall we tidy it up, paint it? And if we're going to paint it, what colour should we paint it? And then we've got the interior. So whether or not it's going to be camper interior or not is, I reckon they should help us build this one for a change. Instead of mate, come on, there's no beams coming back from you from last night or something.
Well, yeah, I know.
But yeah, it's just one of them. Help us build it, guys. Let us know what you want to see. Because at the end of the day, we do the channel for your benefit, so let us know what you want to see out of it. But hopefully, guys, you will like the little bus and stuff. And yeah, it's there. And now we've just done a nice little intro for you. So now you know what's been hiding there for all this flaming time. So, it's one of them, isn't it? But anyway guys, I'm going to leave you for now, and all merch and all that lot is available in the usual places and stuff. Hit that like and subscribe button, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.